is. Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mods coming at you with a little bit different gameplay today. It's a little community game called White Noise Online. I'm here with my friends Vincent and Raymond.
Hi.
We're gonna get scared. It's a scary game. Bunker 51 on Nightmare difficulty. Let's get it, boys. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
I'm the darkest skin color, so I die first.
God damn it. It's been so long since I've played this game, you don't even know.
We should have got Kyle into this. Fuck, man.
We should've. Where did we oh my god, where did we spawn? No! No!
Sonya, I'm still yelling. Don't leave me. Don't you fucking leave. Oh.
Vincent! did it?
Guys?
Where'd you spawn? Where'd you spawn?
Where did you spawn?
We're in the fucking building. The building with the file cabinets.
I'm lost. Where you guys at? Meet me at. You guys left me.
No, we didn't. We didn't move from our spawn. There you are, right there. Over here, over here.
Oh my god. Literally, dude. I'm fucking scared, dude.
Okay, let's go. Raymond, you're gonna be the ears for the tape, because I don't have my game sound plugged in.
Fuck.
What is that? Oh, hey, there's one over here. Yeah. There's always one over here, isn't there?
Yeah.
It should be, anyway. There it is. Get it, Vince. Yeah, Vince is doing something. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Let's go to the other entrance. Oh god, there he is. Everybody look to the left and run. Straight ahead into this other entrance over here. Press that drum beat. Stir your phonics. Let me see. Nah, he's gone now.
About that?
I'm sure. Wait, is that the pod room? That's the pod room. You wanna go to the pod room?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go, let's go.
So I have to go to the filing cabinet.
Oh shit, he popped up right in front of me. Is Vincent still alive? I don't want to look back. I don't want to look back, I'm scared. No. I don't want to play.
I don't want to go through there, dude. Fuck that place.
The pod room, he was just like, what's up, fam?
We left Vincent, dude.
No, he's right behind us. He's got his flashlight turned off.
Vincent, turn that fucking flashlight on.
It's okay.
I'm already getting raped.
It's okay. It's okay. Soft kitty, warm kitty.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Which way? This way? Okay. Let's go. This is the fucking body room, apparently.
I hear one. Over here.
Nah, that's probably not one. That's probably the spawner thingy. Oh, hey, there's another file cabinet room over here. Isn't there one over here?
Oh shit! Don't go over there.
Oh, there he's right back there, isn't he?
Oh my god.
He's not anywhere. Where are you? Oh my god. Okay, let's go into the file room, guys. Come on. Follow the leader. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Fluffy kitty. Purr, purr, purr.
Oh my god, David, he's right there. Fuck.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Dude, I've never seen him like.
Where's Vincent? Where's Vincent? Oh my god, there he is. Vincent, don't do this to me. Okay, let's go across the train.
Ever do that ever, dude? Like.
I don't know.
Active and shit, dude.
Yeah, I haven't seen him that many times in so long. Like, what the hell, man? Don't let me lead. I don't want to lead.
You're the one who's fucking recording, so you have to lead.
Oh, damn it. Oh, curse you, Elgato. Oh my god, he's right in front of me. Run! Run!
Dude, like, he's not letting it.
Oh my god, look at, he's right there again. He's right there again. Guys. Vincent. I'm so scared. This is not cool. This is not cool. I don't want to turn the corner. I don't want to do this. You guys better still be behind me.
I hear tape. It's over close here.
Yeah, it's right here. Where's Vincent? Where's Vincent?
Fucking no, he's dead.
Vincent! Oh, he is dead. He died.
What? He died?
Oh, that's one down. Yeah, look at his ghost. One down, 2 to go, and white noise. This game is fun, but I've never seen this guy as active.
Active,
you know?
Recording and shit now.
Yeah, I know. He's like, I'm gonna scare the shit out of this. Oh my god!
Fuck.
Son of a bitch.
Where we go? Fuck.
I don't know. I'm gonna check if he's still back there. Turn around, Raymond. Turn around real quick. Don't leave me. Yep, he's still back around the corner. Son of a bitch. Okay. There is a doorway down there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Look, there's Vince's dead body. If I could teabag it, I would.
So ashy, man.
That's what happens when you get caught. You turn into a black guy. Oh shit! Turn around, go back this way.
Shit.
Did he get you?
Yeah.
Oh no! I'm last alive. I'm last alive. This is not cool. I only have 2 tapes, and I'm running slow because I'm a fat guy. Just come back over here to where we seen him around the corner, please. Oh, I got a text message. Not the time to be texting me. God damn it. God. No. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm not going in there. Raymond, are you behind me?
No.
Fuck. I'm all alone and my flashlight's dying. Oh my god, no. No. Where are you, Raven? Where are you? I'm scared. I'm gonna die. I feel it. I feel like if I turn this corner, I feel like if I go to this corner, I'm gonna die. Oh. Oh my god, Vincent, you scared me. You fucking scared me. You scared me. Don't do that. Bad Vincent. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Tough kitty. Oh no, Vincent's gone. Vincent's gone. That sucks ass. Oh, he lagged out. Bye, Vincent. We love you. Just kidding. Hey, there you are. Raymond? What are you doing? Raymond, don't fade away like that. Oh, fuck! Raymond, no! He's right there! He's right there, man. Oh my god, no. Hey, look at the rocket room. I'm gonna do this. For Narnia! Is this you trying to tell me there's a tape in here?
I don't hear anything, but.
Oh god, he's right next to me, Raymond! Raymond! Oh my god, he got me! No! No, he got me! This sucks. We've wasted 7 minutes. We found 2 tapes. Oh my god. Let's check out our circles that we ran in. Let's see. Wow, we're pussies. We screamed twice. Let's see. Let's check our replay out, Raymond. See, look, we stayed in the same spot. Ow. Wow.
A lot, dude. A lot. Oh my god, dude. You see him like so many times.
Yeah, we did. Look at. Oh my god. We've seen him too many times. Holy crap. That's where you died. I was following you, and that's where I died. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this gameplay, please leave a like, comment what you want me to do, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Also, don't forget to share. Get me out there, you know, just doing what I like to do. Peace out, Mr. Mods, signing off.